Hey there, welcome to Mr. Magic. So today in this video we are going to learn how to make the background blur, how to make your model more fair, how to make the skin smooth and lot other things. So let's continue. So at first, for the fair skin you have to click on adjust and then you have to increase the brightness level, and from the above eraser option just apply the brightness effect only in the skin of the model. And for a more colorful background you have to click on the adjust and then increase the saturation level, and then again from the above eraser option remove the effect from the model. Now for the background blur, click on effects and then click on blur, and then increase the filter strength a little, and then from the above eraser option remove the blur from the model. After that, apply the face fix and skin smoothing effect from the beautify option for a smooth skin. Oops, I made a mistake again. I think while doing the blur editing I have touched this area somehow, so please don't tell me to fix this, because if I want to fix this I'll have to do the whole blur editing again. So that was all for today. See you again in my next video, and sorry for the mistake.